Good morning, Gillykube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with a little, it's basically another test pour. I'm testing some new products out. Very exciting, so I'm hoping it all goes well. Had a really busy morning because we've had 3 more puppies leave this morning and we only have 1 puppy left to go. It is very sad, but when I see the faces of the new owners, you know, I have all confidence that they're going to wonderful homes. So without further ado, okay, this is the exciting new product. I believe they're made in the US because they're Plaid FX Mutant Shift. I think they're kind of like color shift paint, some of them. That one's Nuclear Neon, Mutant Shift, Armor Metallic. Oh my goodness, I've got loads to try here. Oh, Armor Metallic, that mustn't be the colors then. It hasn't actually got the colors written on them. Non-flexible, non-cracking, flexible acrylic paint. So I know that they can go, you can pour on plastic, you can pour on glass, you can pour on polystyrene. Exciting new product that you only use a tiny bit of, so I'm told, but I am not 100% sure of the actual pouring medium you would normally put into them. So I've used the Mont acrylic flow medium. So I'm gonna try them with that. I have got one color there that's not this, which is just a creamy color. Not sure if I'm gonna put that in, but yeah, they're exciting new products. Yeah, so in the US you will definitely be able to get these, and I believe in Europe too, because they're made by Plaid. If you're in Australia, of course, it's Cabriole Shabby Chic, which my link to Cabriole Shabby Chic is in the drop down box, and you can get them and try them from there. But let's just see how they go, hey, because I want to do a you know, I'm doing a test on them to see if I like them for a start. But I mean, they look the bomb. I mean, when I mixed up this one, I haven't got my glasses, so I can't even see gamma ray, rayon gamma, golden hour. Oh, well, there you go. There's it's on the side, gamma ray, and that one's golden hour. So when I mix the gamma ray, look, it's really like, it's just like the color shift. It's got sparkles in it, and yeah, I presume that it would change colour, but whether I've mixed them to correct ratios, because I haven't had a look on the site yet, naughty me, but I always do like to try and play with products and do my own thing with them. So there's some lovely colours that I've got here at the moment, and I've just slowly mixed each one with some of this metallic flow medium. And I've mixed them quite runny because I want to blow them. I want to see what they look like when I blow them. So I've got this lovely canvas from Mont. It's the oval canvas. So I have this feeling of just doing a bit of stuff up here in a negative space, but you know me with negative space, and I don't do it very well. Also, I'll give you a quick show. They've sent me some Pearlex powdered pigments, so made in the USA, so you'll definitely be able to get them in the US. So they're pigments, and look at all the lovely colors I've got to try. So I will be trying those with some, I'll try different medium, you know, pouring mediums, but I've obviously got to find one that goes with pigments the best. So I'll do a bit of research and before I find out. And another thing that they've got now in stock, which I will do sometime this week, is the glitter gravel. So I'm going to do something with the glitter gravel. I really want to have a go at this geode on the top of a tabletop. So now that Capriole Shabby Chic have got this in stock, so I'm excited. I've got all these new products to try, and that's what really, you know, gives me pleasure. I've got my masking tape from Capriole Shabby Chic, and they're also selling the puppy pea pads now, but they've got them in the 100 pack, I think so, but they're selling the puppy pea pads, which we use underneath. So all exciting products to try. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Ah, dear, rabbling on. Okay, let's get this show on the road. I have just mixed my normal Mont Marte white I mixed it with Floetrol today. Yeah, I actually mixed this one with Floetrol because I thought I've not added any silicone or anything in any of those paints, and I just kind of want some lacing, but I'm really going to try my hardest to keep restrained with this and not do too much colour, you know, not put too much paint. So wish me luck, people. Those that know me are probably saying she will never do it, she just doesn't do it, because you know that I just love to fill the whole canvas with colour or a pattern or something. I'm not very good at leaving negative space, but that's just me. And you know, if you're doing your art, you get the choice too, whether you do or you don't. So just not very good with leaving negative space. I like to fill it all up. So that's a bit of a wonky cup I've got here, but that's all good. It's all good. So I've just put in plenty of paint, so I've got lots of paint to blow. Not sure if I've got the right consistency, because I never seem to get that quite right. I really want to try one side with the sort of the bronze and the gold and that, whatever it was called, gamma ray, and then the other side with the bright colours, because it is a test and it may not be suited to this kind of pour. So without further ado, I will just try one side. And if it looks good, then I'll rehash it and add a bit of each colour each side, I suppose. I'm not sure, so see how we go. Now, be minimalistic, Jilly. Be minimalistic. Doing what you call it when you hypnotise, self-hypnotism. So trying to get myself to. Okay, that's the goldy one, and then this is the gamma ray. It's very sheen. They're very sheeny, very shiny. So I'm just gonna be very just try those colours. I'm gonna try and do that. I'll put what was the green one called? Where did I find the name? Okay, Jolt Electroc. I don't know if that's the name or what. Who knows? Holy dooly. Pretty tired today because I've had I think it's the mental thing of the dogs, the puppies leaving, the new owners, and you really hope that everything's going to go all right. And so it's sort of mentally tiring today, I find it. But that's all good. I might put a bit of the gold in there as well, because it's kind of not that much in there, but that's it. That's where I always go wrong, isn't it? Okay, I'm not gonna add any more, and I think I need to use my little mini blower for this, just so I can do it nice and slow and have a think about it. Some ladies give me some good tips. Is just do one blow, think about the next blow before I do another one, so I can see which way I want to head instead of trying to get it all done. So I'm going to try that if I can. Okie doke, let's do this. Now, hold it further away to see if I can have a bit more control over it. Stop, think about it, think about it. Just blowing some of this paint over the edge, so trying to slow myself down. It's kind of disappeared in there a bit, that one. Let's blow it slowly over that way. Will it go? So now I'm kind of thinking that I've got way too much white in there, because look at all that. Need to take a bit off, and I kind of like this, but I've kind of lost a lot of it there, haven't I? So I will have to add some, I believe. I'm going to blow it off. I'm going to blow it over the edge, and I'm going to put a bit more colour on it. I've put too much base coat under that now, because it's all just sort of going. Let's have a go with this again. Just blow it over the edge if I can, this way, and put some more paint down. Have another go. Gonna keep trying. Okay, turn the little world's smallest mini blower. Okay, give this again, and I might try some of the two colours mixed together. I'll go with the bronze, just a dribble. Bronze, and I'll try the gold. Kind of like the marbling that's come through it now. Oh, I've got some of the pearl white here, pearly. So I'll put some of that into. See, I think I've maybe got it too runny. I'm not sure. Not real good with this. But you know what? You just keep trying, and even if it's not, you know, everybody, oh, it's not like so and so does, or, well, you know, you don't want it to be. You want it had your stamp to it and have it a little bit different than everybody else's. Your art room, your way, remember. I've probably done too much overboard again because I'm blabbering. Try the greeny stuff in it. So I think the whole thing with this paint, oh, okay, I've blobbed, but I'll sort that out, no problem. Is the way that it hopefully should dry, that it's got that real sparkle in it. So let's give this another go with the super blower. I don't want to add any more white to it because it's dulling down the colours, and I want the colours to be strong, but still doing it. Look, too much white. I've added way too much white. Too much base paint, should I say. Yeah, there's way too much white. Look at all this. I could scrape that off, couldn't I? Oh, silly Jilly. I never left much base paint, but you know what? It's just glistening. It's kind of, yeah, not what I expected. I think that using that white base paint is not going too good with this. It's not really, it doesn't showcase it. I'm not sure if I should try something else. I think I will just leave it and I'll just give it a bit of thought for a minute. Oh, some really lovely lacing starting to show on it. Maybe I'll just hit it with the heat. Way too much. Look at all this. It's too much. I need to scrape all that off. No, I've kind of made a reel. Well, like I said, I'm testing it, so it's not looking crash hot at the moment, and I don't even think I could give it the kiss of life. So it's not given the kind of same. I don't think I can do anything with the kisses with it. But you know, it's the first time I've used it. I need to do a bit more research, obviously, to find out what I can better use this product for, because certainly the paints are just gorgeous, shimmery. Shiver your timbers. Shimmer your timbers. That might be actually not too bad with the kiss of life. But I'm sure I can get some better effects from this paint. So anybody that may have used the FX paints, give me a heads up here. But I'm going to leave that because that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. What do you think? It's kind of a bit delicate for myself, but I really want the colours to jump out, and because they are so bright and vibrant, I need to go to plan B and try plan B. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, because I'm going to end it there with this particular test, and I'll try it in a different method and move on. But if anybody has used this colour effects, I know that you're only supposed to use a tiny bit, but obviously I'm not mixing it with the right pouring medium or using it in the right way. But I'll keep pushing on and trying to get something gorgeous out of it. So until next time, bye for now guys. Take care.